Do you know that with just 500 naira you can get 4 gig of data from MTN and Airtel? It seems impossible, right? But I'm going to show you this on my phone right now, and I'm going to give you extra code to use to get cheaper data if you don't have enough airtime to subscribe. Without wasting much time, let's dive into this on my phone. Um, Before we start, you can pick up a pen and biro so that you write all the code down because you don't want to miss it. So let's start. The first code I'm going to show you, and please don't forget this code works for only MTN and Airtel. So the first code I'm going to show you is star 312 star 87 hash. Take note. You can write it down now. Then you send. As you can see, you will be charged 15 naira for this purchase, and this data is 200 MB plus 250. That's you are getting 450 MB for just 15 naira. This is so insane, guys. This is insane because um in just the direct code you have 15 naira for 50 MB, but now you can use 15 naira to get 450 MB. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. So imagine you do this 15 naira 3 times or 4 times. Just imagine the kind of data you have on your phone. So the second code I'm going to show you now is star 312 star 88 hash. You send. As you can see, you will be charged 200 for this purchase, and the data balance is 1 gig plus 500 MB. That is 1.5 gig for just 200 naira. This is so amazing, guys. This is really amazing. And don't forget, this code might not work for you, so just try all the codes. One from all the codes might work for you, because I guess this code works for new MTN sim and not old MTN sim. But just try it. It might work, it might not work, but for new MTN sim, I assure you it will work. So the next one I'm going to show you now is star 312 star 86 hash. Then you send. As you can see, this is one I was telling you about. You'll be charged 20 naira for uh um 150 MB, which is 75 MB plus 75 MB. This weekly plan, you will charge 20 naira. Just imagine you did this just 5 times. Imagine the kind of data you have on your phone for just 20 naira. This is so insane. Guys, don't miss out on this. Just try as much as possible to use this as you can, because and share this video to your friends who need this, because we all in Nigeria, we are just facing a lot of things, a lot of trouble subscribing to our phone. And I wish I knew this earlier, because this helped me a lot. It helped me save some money, helped me to save a lot of cash, because the amount of data I sub a month is so insane. So guys, don't miss out on this. You can save this code on your phone and share it to your family members. The last one I'm going to show you here is star 312 star 10 hash. This one is same as the previous one, but this one is just 75 MB. This one is 7 days plan, but I advise you do the previous one, because that previous one have extra 75 MB, which will give you 150, but this one just have only 75 MB. So you might try this. Maybe this or that one will work on your phone, on your sim, because I guess it doesn't work on all sim. So if you try that previous one and then it didn't work, you can try this. So that's all for now. If you love this video and you find this video helpful, do it by subscribing and liking and commenting on this video, because it can encourage me to make more videos like this. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you guys.